welcome back to the channel. My name is Nitya and I am in Malaysia right now. I have landed in Malaysia yesterday in the morning and currently I am in Kuala Lumpur. I'm going to be here for 2 days. It was yesterday and today, and then I will leaving to another exciting place. I am staying at a property called Sunshine Bed Hostel, which is in Butik Bitang. I'm very, very excited to be here. So yeah, let's go and explore Malaysia together. I started this journey from Pune to Mumbai and then took a cab to the airport. Then there was my flight. I have to board that flight. I was so nervous taking that flight, but that was the best flight of my entire life till now. Then I reached Malaysia, and the first thing that you do when you reach another country is do currency exchange. Not all, but some. Then we take a SIM because our SIM will not work. I have booked the SIM through Klook and then I took a bus to reach to the domestic terminal. Then, once you reach the domestic terminal, you will see this bus counter where you can take a bus to reach to the city. This is the cheapest way to travel from airport to the city in Malaysia. Otherwise, it is going to cost you so much. This bus was good. I really liked it. And that's how I reached the city. Love the vibe so much initially. It was so good. And then I reached my hostel, checked in, got ready, and I was ready to explore the city.
मैंने ना आज तक किसी भी टावर को देख के इतना अच्छा और इतना इतना सुंदर मुझे आज तक कोई भी टावर ऑनेस्टली नहीं लगा है कभी भी। नॉट दैट आई हैव सीन अ लॉट ऑफ टावर्स बट स्टिल इट्स सो ब्यूटीफुल आई वांट टू लीव बट उसके उस तरफ द सो बेसिकली दिस इज सूर्या मॉल सूर्या KLCC और उसके उस तरफ देयर इज फाउंटेन दैट हैपेंस एंड दिस इज आल्सो अ फाउंटेन एरिया दैट हैज फाउंटेन शो नहीं होता है लाइट शो वगैरह नहीं होता है तो अभी मैं उस तरफ जाने का सोच रही हूँ एंड इट्स वेरी वेरी ब्यूटीफुल सो लेट्स गो टू द अदर साइड वेरी 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 फैंसी मॉल मैं एक्साइटेड तो बहुत पर मैं थकी हुई भी बहुत ज़्यादा हूँ लेट्स गो पूरा उस तरफ नहीं जाना है जैसे इतना एग्जिट है ना तो मैंने ऐसा सोचा कि एक तरफ KLCC का एक एंट्रेंस है एक तरफ दूसरा एंट्रेंस होगा तो मैं पूरा उस तरफ चलेगी तो आपको बताती हूँ पूरा उस तरफ नहीं जाना है मिडिल से लेफ्ट लेना है मैं जाती हूँ मैं आपको बताती हूँ कैसे करना है आप बस सूर्या मॉल टाइप करके पेट्रोनस टावर्स पे आ जाना बाकी आप खुद फिगर आउट कर लोगे कि किस तरफ क्या हो रहा है अभी तो मुझे ऐसे सब लोग घूर रहे हैं ना बट आई डोंट रियली केयर एट दिस पॉइंट कौन ही मुझे जानता है मैं दूसरे देश में हूँ अकेले हूँ कहीं फर्क पड़ना है पहुँच गए गाइस इधर ये यहाँ से लेफ्ट लेके जैसे उसने बताया था वैसे आई हूँ मैं ये मॉल है सूर्या KLCC मॉल है यहाँ से ऊपर आपको इतना ट्विन टावर दिखता है ये और जहाँ से मैंने देखा था वहाँ से पूरा दिखेगा ठीक है अब हम लोग यहाँ पे रुक रहे हैं यहाँ पे होगा लाइट शो फाउंटेन शो समथिंग वो देखेंगे एंड देन आई विल लीव I'm ready. I have tucked my hair back just for the convenience, but for photos, I'm gonna take it out. Not a problem. Lighting is not that great, but yeah, very, very, very good hostel. I will tell you everything about the hostel in a bit. This is how the outer area of the hostel looks like. It is pretty, pretty nice. It is pretty chill, very, very social. Hi. And then I will show you. This is the lane, okay. And then I'll show you here. This is the room that I'm staying at. That's my bed. That's my locker. And this is where you put your shoes and everything. This is what the entrance of the hostel looks like. Pretty nice. It is very, very close to the metro station. You can definitely consider this property. It is just a little far away from KLCC. If looking for stays in KLCC, then you have to walk like a 1 kilometer from here. But other than that, it's great. I'm staying at a 4 dormitory female hostel, like a female dormitory. It's really nice. The cleanliness is great. So I struggled a lot with food, but I found a place serves South Indian type of food. I went there yesterday to have dinner. I woke up pretty late. I am sick. Have I not told you this? But yeah, I am sick a little bit. So I'm going to go there, have chai and dosa, and then only I'm going to start the day. This is the place. This is how it looks like. Called as Southern Spice Banana Leaf Restaurant.
I've ordered ginger tea and plain dosa. Today we are going to spend our money very, very mindfully because yesterday was my first day and I spent money just like that here and there and it's gone. But today we are going to be very, very mindful on where we spend, what we eat because this is going to be a budget trip and we're not going to spend like a lot of money. So yeah, that's something. Cheers. I mean, yesterday I was almost empty stomach the whole day because I was not able to figure out. It was first day traveling solo, trying to figure out transport, trying to figure out where to go, trying to figure out what to eat. And first day becomes very, very overwhelming. And then you try to, understand that how it progresses. But my recommendation would be don't panic on first day. Please do not panic on first day. Was really, really great. I have completed the whole dosa all by myself. I've never done that in India, but now I want to go back to the hostel because I forgot my sanitizer and pee safe. So I want to pick up those and then we will walk to KLCC Aquarium. Let's go. I'm excited because tummy is full now. I am inside a convention center. One of the very sweet guy helped me that you can go here, take an escalator downstairs, and then you can find an aquarium. I'm just trying to figure out if I can. People here in Malaysia are really, really helpful. I walked all the way to aquarium. I can see aquarium. Ah, I really appreciate that guy for helping me. For a little debrief, I have walked from Boutique Bitang from my hostel to this place. And there is this convention center, and Aquarius inside a convention center. The aquarium looks very nice. I have booked through Clue. I just wanted to make sure that I don't want to stand in line and get the ticket. That's why I have booked it through Clue. It looks very nice. So let's see. Let's go. This place is so nice. I really, really like this place, and I highly recommend you coming and looking this place because it has so much to see and it's amazing. It just feels like you're so tiny in this world. Only one feeling. I am done with the aquarium. It was great experience. I would highly recommend everyone to come to the aquarium if you're visiting Kuala Lumpur. It's a different world that you can get into for 1 hour. Now I'm going to head back to my home. Very, very excited. I am really tired. My feet hurts, my back hurts, everything hurts honestly. But we are going to make it because we are in Kuala Lumpur for the very first time in our lives. And we're not going to miss a chance to explore the city as much as we can. This is the entry of the Boutique Bitang metro station, and that's my hostel, Sunshine Beds. So now I'm going to head to the place. I will tell you the name of the place. Hold on 1 second. The place is Minf House Vegan Cafe. It has a lot of vegan options, so this is how it looks like. It is just 450 meters walking from my place. I am excited. Let's go eat something because I'm hungry again. So many options of food. I have ordered myself a laksa soup bowl. This is their very, very traditional dish that I wanted to try, wherein you write the food code which is mentioned in the menu card and the quantity and your table number, and then you submit it in the reception. So basically they will come and take order, which is really, really great, so that you get confused or panic ho jata hai bahut zyada. Very, very fancy cafe. Just a pro tip, a place where local comes and eat is a good place to eat. I have asked them to make it less spicy. I hope they cater to this. This is how my laksa bowl looks like. It has noodles, it has some pineapple, it has chopped carrots, it has mushroom, and it tastes really, really nice. Now let's eat it. Okay, so the food is done. It was nice. I made it less spicy, so it was little, how do you say, खट्टा और थोड़ा सा मिर्चीला. ठीक है. Now I'm going to head to the Chinatown. Let's go. Exciting.